now I want to write an article in Substack, but what do I write? So I just shared a simple framework that you can use. Is I use this framework. And number one, sharing an observation. So so have the topic in mind and then say to yourself, what am I seeing in the world around this topic? An insight. So what is my worldview? What do I think? What is my competence or whatever around this topic?
Okay.
Thirdly, I would share a framework. So how do you solve this problem using this, whatever framework? So I'm sharing my competence now, really. And then I would go into a bit of a personal story because we have to share not only our competence, but also our character. So in my Attraction Amplified and other programs, I teach my clients that it's all about head and heart. So we can't just share all the competent stuff and how we're all good and the frameworks and those things. We also need to share a little bit of flavor, our personality, how we see things, our values, our beliefs, our mission, our vision, those kind of things, so that people develop a relationship with us because people, again, buy from people they know